Hi, Waukegan. I'm Nicholas Alexakis, Director of Communications for Waukegan Public Schools. This is 1660 for the week of March 16th. This week, we're highlighting our district finances, looking back at a delicious cooking competition, looking forward to a much-needed break, and more. Over the weekend, the air was filled with aromas of creativity as our elementary students showcased their skills at the Future Chef competition hosted by our food partner, Sodexo. From bold flavors to creative presentations, the students impressed judges with their talents. Congratulations to Chase from McCall Elementary, her in first place, and David from Greenwood Elementary, who finished in second. Waukegan Public Schools has once again been awarded the Meritorious Budget Award from the Association of School Business Officials, marking the 9th consecutive year the district has received this recognition. The award highlights our commitment to transparent, responsible budgeting and clear communication with our community. If you'd like to learn more about how our budget is developed, as well as other key insights into district finances, you can watch our recent YouTube Live budget presentation, which is now available on our website and on YouTube. Quick reminder that we will host a free meal distribution this Friday at the Waukegan High School Brookside campus. Meals will be available from 5 to 7 p.m. through a convenient drive-through behind the school on Monroe Street. Families will receive a 5-day meal pack, and distribution will be at a first-come, first-served basis. And finally, spring break is next week. Schools will be closed March 23rd through March 27th. Classes will resume on Monday, March 30th. We hope everyone enjoys a safe and relaxing break. That's all for this week. Thank you for watching, and be sure to join us each week for the latest news and events happening in Waukegan Public Schools.